So the first step is to simply open any browser, and then you're gonna have to simply type in accounts.google.com and then simply search for this. Then you're gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna have to simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and tap on add another account. Now here, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on forgot email, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your phone number, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on next. Then you're gonna have to enter your first and last name, and then simply tap again on next. And basically here, if you're using your real information, you're gonna be asked to receive a code on that specific phone number that we just entered earlier. And basically with that code, you're gonna be able to get access to that Gmail account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.